It's been 14 hours on. Sheikh Hasina is in Delhi, but she's also awaiting clearances for the next step. Is there going to be an agreement with the United Kingdom that she could get a safe asylum in the UK? For that, we don't have clarity and confirmation right now. We are also informed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is monitoring the situation closely about what's unfolding in Bangladesh. Remember, this is not just about a neighbor nation, I reiterate. It's a nation we share borders with, and not just of Bengal but other northeastern states as well. And this is as much about what happens in Bangladesh can have repercussions with internal security of India as well. Hasina continues to meanwhile be in Delhi. And as the situation is being monitored, it will be about as much what happens next. India has always been a friend to Bangladesh. And irrespective of the leadership, with the people, with those in the government, India has always maintained strong ties. Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, meanwhile, had been, in fact, strong friends, specifically in counter-terrorism measures. But who will now come up next to lead Bangladesh? I want to now immediately bring in my colleague Shivani Sharma for the latest on that. Shivani is on the ground. Shivani, Sheikh Hasina is at a safe house. But it will also be out what happens next. What are you picking up about how India is monitoring what is happening in Bangladesh and specifically our borders?
Pooja, Sheikh Hasina continues to be in India. She's in Hindon Air Base, from where we are reporting right now in Ghaziabad. And it's exactly 15 hours when she landed here at Hindon. She remains to be in a safe house that's guarded by the special commandos of the Indian Air Force, the Garud Commandos. Not even the local police is allowed close to that safe house. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already been apprised by the whole situation that's going on in Bangladesh, the security preparedness of our forces along the borders, not only in West Bengal, but also the northeastern states. And other than that, the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army, every security force is quite vigilant, on a high alert, monitoring the situation. And Sheikh Hasina, who continues to be here, is told to be awaiting clearances for her further asylum to United Kingdom, where she wants to join her family. But she is still waiting because she has escaped hurriedly from her country. This was not a planned journey, Pooja. So the preparations might take some more time. But meanwhile, we also know that NSA Ajit Doval has been talking to her. He has already met her. He received her here yesterday evening and held discussions with her onto the situation in Bangladesh and also on her further journey. But here we must update our viewers about the aircraft that was carrying her. C-130J of the Bangladesh Air Force that has taken off in the night to Panagarh Air Force Base. That also happens to be an important base in West Bengal, Pooja. So it will be assisted with refueling and all the preparations it needs to do for the further journey. But yes, she continues to be here and waits clearances for UK arrival.
All right, keep tracking all the latest on that. On that note, Shivani, I also welcome you into India Today Network. Looking forward to your coverage and informing the viewer about how Shivani will be tracking a lot of latest current affairs updates coming in from the country as well.